Capybara, 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 capybara.
Here we are. Jake has never actually launched his car properly before, apparently. He said, oh, I'm not really sure if I've ever activated launch control. And then we talked to each other about it, and then I realized I don't think he's actually ever activated launch control all the way. He's just kind of floored it and curb stomped the vehicle. And yeah, so we're going to actually launch his car for the first time today. And right now I think he's on the phone with Bonchan trying to make a reservation. You liking that supreme parking job I got going on here? Chalky CLK. Very versatile, tiny car. They keep parking tractor trailers here at the TeamSpeedDemon testing headquarters, so that's kind of annoying. I came here to get a nice sunset launch video, and now this kid is on the phone with some unimportant, irrelevant stuff. What could be more important than launching the car? Yep, there goes my sunlight. Oh, his automatic headlights are kicking in. That's how we know we're running out of daylight, because Jake's taking his sweet time. New Instagram handle, Slow Jake. It's Sunday, man. It's the family day. It's the launch your car day.
Good morning.
Fuck you. Gone up a step higher now.
M2.
So after a lot of trial and error, we finally got Jake to figure it out. That was a lot better. That was a lot.
My car never did that.
Yeah, I know, because you never fucking knew how to use launch control in the first place. I thought you did that whole time. But no, now you got it.
I look like such an asshole in front of so many people. Now I'm gonna...
I thought you knew.
Now I don't want to get rid of it. It does that! It does that!
Yeah.
Did I do that?
All right, do it again so I can get a front shot. And then we got to do another one with the drone. Probably accidentally went into manual mode. I bet you $100 that's what happened that time. Oh, there's a kid up there on like one of those UTV things.
I see what happened. Yeah.
All right, let's try it again. Oh, an empty tractor trailer. You are a long way from home, my friend.
Peekaboo.
It did it again in mid-launch. I watched it. It did it in mid-launch.
It just went to manual.
It just went to manual.
See, that
mode.
first pass you did was sick.
That first pass was awesome. I don't understand why it just did that. It fucking did it again. When these two light up, it does that. But it literally wasn't until I let go. It didn't engage, so I was like, fuck it, I'll ride it out, because I don't want to keep doing this stop and go shit. It fucking kicked it into manual.
All right, so just try and manually shift it. Or no?
I saw the thing, when the thing came up on the dash where it's like shift light, I was like, fuck, it did it again.
So just shift for it.
I'll try it one more time, but that fucking, it's doing it on its own. I didn't do it. I'm not knocking into it. I'm like this.
I won't, yeah. I think he's figuring it out.
Put me on S3. I change it to M2 and it's S3, but it makes it manual. I shut that off, M2 goes away, and it's back in comfort mode. So I guess that S3 is me having to shift. I have to shift at M2. But how did I do it the first time? I didn't shift.
I don't know if that's the case. I have no idea.
Because now, look, watch. I'm in park, right? I'm in M2. Now I put it in drive, M2's gone. Watch that when I put it in M2.
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright, I gotta shift. But it's not kicking in, that's the thing.
I think you got that done. That seemed alright.
Time it did it.
It did it or did it?
It did it. It said launch control active.
Yeah, it looked good.
And then it shifted on its own for that. But then after it was done, I had to shift for it. And the lights were on the whole time. It's very weird.
I don't know. It's kind of temperamental.
It is.
All right. Well, at least you got that. Now I got to get the drone shots.